children, today ma'am is going to teach you a very interesting topic in EVS class. Guess what ma'am is going to teach you? Okay, I will give you some clues. You have to guess. It is something which fly in the sky. आसमान में उड़ते हैं. It has got wings, feathers and beak. Yes, students, it is a bird. Birds sky में fly करते हैं. Children, जैसे हम अपना खाना माउथ से खाते हैं, वैसे ही जो birds होते हैं, वो अपना खाना अपनी beak यानी चोंच से खाते हैं. और वो स्काई में कैसे उड़ पाते हैं? यस, वो अपनी विंग्स की हेल्प से स्काई में उड़ पाते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, टेल मी, वेयर डू यू लिव विद योर फैमिली? आप कहाँ रहते हो? यस, यू ऑल लिव विद योर फैमिली इन योर हाउस और होम, है ना चिल्ड्रन? हाउस हमें रेन, कोल्ड, सनी वेदर एंड एनिमीज से प्रोटेक्ट करता है and we feel safe in our house. वैसे ही birds also need a space to stay. So birds के house को हम nest बोलते हैं. You all know ना? And for nest? Yes. And birds make their nest near the water, in trees and somewhere around the hidden areas. जो जगह बिल्कुल छिपी हुई होती है, जहाँ कोई आता जाता नहीं है, बर्ड्स वहाँ अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. एंड देयर वॉइस आर सो वंडरफुल. सो लेट्स बिगिन द पिक्चर रीडिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स. ओपन द पेज नंबर 27 ऑफ योर EVS पिक्चर वर्ड बुक. सी, दिस इज अ स्पैरो. S for sparrow. In Hindi, we call it chidiya. It is a small bird. Its body covered with brown, black and white feathers. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. In Hindi, we call it kabutar. Pigeon is grey in color and it makes very nice sound. This is a crow. C for crow. In Hindi, we call it kaua. It is black in color. It is very wise and very intelligent bird. Children, have you heard the story of Thirsty Crow? Yes, in that story, he wisely arranged water for himself. Okay? Moving to the next. This is a parrot. P for parrot. In Hindi, we call it tota. It is green color bird with a red beak and a red band around its neck. Do you know, children? Parrot can talk like us. This is a peacock. P for peacock. In Hindi, we call it more. It is the most beautiful bird in the whole world. It has a colorful tail covered with beautiful feathers. The most important is it is our national bird. It dances and feels happy when it sees dark clouds in the sky. This is a woodpecker. W for woodpecker. In Hindi, we call it hudhud. Do you know, children? Its beak is so strong. जैसे mostly birds अपना nest बनाते हैं dry leaves को collect करके, ग्रास को कलेक्ट करके, ट्विग्स को कलेक्ट करके, बट वुडपेकर अपनी बीक को हैमर की तरह यूज़ करता है और ट्री ट्रंक में हिट करता रहता है और वहाँ एक होल बना देता है और उसी होल में रहकर छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स खाता है। दिस इज मैना। एम फॉर मैना। हिंदी में इसे मैना कहते हैं। इट हैज़ dark brown color and its eyes are encircled with. This is a dove. D for dove. In Hindi, we call it kabutar. Dove is very beautiful bird. Actually, it is white in color. It is the universal symbol of peace. Means ये शांति का प्रतीक होते हैं। This is swan. S for swan. In Hindi, we call it hans. Mostly, it can be seen in white color with orange beak. It floats in water and makes its nest near the water. This is a crane. C for crane. In Hindi, we call it saras. It is so beautiful bird. It is found near the lakes and ponds. It has long beak, long neck and long pink color legs. क्रेन अपनी लॉन्ग नेक की हेल्प से वाटर में से फिश को कैच करते हैं और उसे खाते हैं। This is an ostrich. O for ostrich. In Hindi, we call it shaturmurg. It is the fastest land bird in the whole world. It is too heavy so that it cannot fly, but it can. This is turkey. T for turkey. In Hindi, we call it turkey. It is very interesting bird found in America. It looks like a cock. ये दिखने में कुछ कुछ मुर्गे जैसा दिखता है। This is an eagle. E for eagle. In Hindi, we call it baaj. Eagle is a meat-eating bird. It has sharp claws and a hooked beak, and it can fly so high. It has sharp eyesight. इसकी नज़रें बहुत शार्प होती हैं। ये दूर से ही सभी चीज़ों को देख पाते हैं। This is robin bird. R for robin. हिंदी में भी इसे रॉबिन ही कहते हैं। It is a beautiful foreign bird. It looks like a sparrow. Its voice is so sweet. This is a kite. K for kite. In Hindi, we call it cheel. It is very big in size. It has long wings. It has sharp curved beak. Okay? अगर इनको lizards, snakes, frogs, squirrel कहीं दिख जाएं तो वो उन पर। This is a penguin. P for penguin. हिंदी में भी इसको penguin ही कहा जाता है। It is a sea bird. It cannot fly in the sky, but they can swim under the water using their wings. This is a quail. Q for quail. In Hindi, we call it batail. It is a very small bird. This is also a foreign bird. It can be seen in forest areas near the bushes, and its color is brown and white. This is an owl. O for owl. In Hindi, we call it ullu. This is a very unique bird who sleeps in day and active in night. It has flat face and two big eyes, and it has big head also. Means ये bird रात को जागता है और दिन में सोता है. Okay? So children, this is all about the interesting facts of different birds along with their names. So read page number 27 and 28 of your EVS book and enhance your knowledge about birds. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you all for watching this video. Hit the bell icon to subscribe my channel Deepti Talks and do like, share, comment about this video. Bye-bye.